Unlock the secrets to winning Google Ads auction and maximizing the value of your bids. Here are 3 simple hacks. Hack number 1, know your goals. Understand your campaign objectives and choose the right bidding strategy that aligns with them. Whether it's maximizing clicks, conversions, or return on ad spend, the perfect strategy will set you on the path to success. Hack number 2, the power of automation. Utilize automated bidding to optimize your bids in real time based on user behavior. Let artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting and watch your campaigns reach new heights of efficiency. Hack number 3, strategic bidding. Don't blindly bid high. Analyze your competition and set smart, competitive bids. Achieve a balance between cost effectiveness and ad visibility to win the auction and maximizing your budget. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to master bidding strategies and conquer Google Ads auctions. Thanks for watching, subscribe and follow for more.